Hello. In this video, we will talk about relational databases. In market, there are different kinds of database servers like MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle. In relational database, data is stored in the form of tables which are linked through some common fields. A table is also known as relation. A table is that data set in which data is stored in the form of columns and rows. For example, in this table, students' information is stored, and in this table, customer information is stored. Each row of the table is known as record or tuple, which represent a whole time unit of data. As in this table, each row contains one student information. Column is also known as field or attribute, and each column contains same kind of information. In a table or relation, the number of columns represent degree of the relation. As in the example, degree of relation is 3. Similarly, in a table, number of rows or tuples represent cardinality of the relation. In the example, cardinality is 4. Now, on the topic, we solve some questions. What is the degree and cardinality of the table? Degree is 2 and cardinality is 5. Now take another example. What is the degree and cardinality of the table? Degree is 4 and cardinality is 3. In database, there is a key concept to identify each row or tuple uniquely. We take the example of the student table. As now I have to enter marks of these two students. Now as both students has same information, so which student to update the marks. Here keys can help us. Now what are keys? In every table there is a column or field which uniquely identify each row of the table. This field is known as a primary key. When database is designed or created, at that time is in every table such fields or columns are identified which can uniquely identify the rows. In a table, such field can be more than one. Then these fields are known as candidate keys, means that these fields are candidates for the primary key. Then we select a primary key among all these candidate keys. The rest of the candidate key will become alternate keys. Then sometimes it can happen that this candidate key is the combination of two or more fields. For example, name and surname can be combined. It is known as composite key. Now when we talk about database which has so many tables and all these tables are linked with each other through a foreign key. Foreign key is such an attribute or field which act as a primary key in the other table. Let's take an example. To understand it, let's we have a student table and a result table. In student table, all the students are of a same class. The result of all the students is stored in the other table. Roll number is the primary key of the students table. The result table also have roll number field which is the foreign key and in linked with the student table. So this is the foreign key which refers to the primary key of other table. So in this video